Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire. My name's Josh and I'm going to give you a tour of this Volkswagen Caravelle Executive. This is a short wheelbase 204 PS 7-speed DSG and it comes with the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty until May 2024. So we'll start at the front here. You can see you've got your LED headlights and you can see you've got your chrome grille and your front parking sensors. Coming around to the side you can see you've got your 17-inch alloy wheels. Just taking a quick look inside at the front now, you've got your two single seats at the front and then your dashboard. We'll have a look at that in a minute. On both sides you've got your electric sliding doors, so you can operate them via the key or just pull the handle and they'll open. So you've got two seats in the second row and then three in the third row. So you've got 7 seats in total. To close the door, just pull the handle and it will close on its own. So heading round to the back now, you can see you've got a tow bar and you've got your rear parking sensors, as well as your rear view camera just above the number plate. To open the tailgate, just pull the latch. As you can see, it will open just like that. So you get a view of the back of all the seats. So you've got the table in the middle of the second row and then the other seats all around it. To close the tailgate, just press the button here and it will make its way down. As you can see, this vehicle's finished in Indium grey metallic paint. And then coming around to the driver's side, you can see you've got your sliding door on this side as well. So you've got one on both sides, operates the same way as the other side. Seats on the second row slide as well as the table. And the table spins around like this and you can fold it away. To close the door, press the button on the key as well, or pull the handle. So we'll take a look in the driver's side now. So we're in the driver's side and as you can see, you've got your heating and folding wing mirror controls, you've got your headlight switch, you set that to automatic, and as you can see this vehicle's only done 7,717 miles. Got your digital cockpit there behind the steering wheel, and then you've got your leather multifunction steering wheel. On the left side you've got your buttons for your adaptive cruise control, and the other side your buttons for going through the screen here, so you can see put your navigation on the screen. You can have your audio, telephone, vehicle status and driving data, so you can see your speed in miles per hour, and you can also just choose through the driving data there as well. So you've got plenty of different options for the screen. Then coming across to the middle you can see you've got your DAB digital radio, your menu here, so you've got your radio, you've got your navigation, nice and easy to use. To search, just press the search icon down here and type in your address. You've got your app connect for connecting via USB, so you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. You can mirror your phone screen just on there, so you get apps like Spotify and Google Maps if you prefer to use that. They'll come up on the screen. As you can see, you get your rear view camera on the screen as well when you put it into reverse. Coming down here you can see you've got your front heated seats separately controlled for both sides, it's the driver and the front passenger, and then you've got your 3-zone air conditioning, so you can control the passenger side, the driver's side and the rear all separately to your desired temperature, which makes it ideal for when you've got your passengers in the vehicle as well. You see there you've got your 7-speed DSG shifter, and just to the left of that you've got your 12-volt socket cup holder and your 2 USB-C ports. As you can see you've got your carpet flooring all the way through, and you've got your carpet mats on top of that as well, your glove box there, and as you can see the seats, you've got your leather on the outside and your Alcantara on the middle. And if you would like any more information about this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give us a call on 01772 911 356. Thank you for watching.